Hello everyone. Today I am going to present my seminar presentation, and that has been uh, done on Itwin. So it has been submitted by Monica Barwa, student of Suresh Gandhi University, BTech CAC 8th semester A1 batch, and it has been submitted to our respected faculty, Mr. Gajanan Sharma, who is an associate professor in our respected deemed university. Itwin. So what is Itwin? Itwin is I'll give you the general description about Itwin. So Itwin lets you to access your files from anywhere simply and securely. So what is Itwin actually? Itwin is a type of dongle. You can take it anywhere. Anywhere you go, you can take it anywhere. So you can access your PC data using this small device called Itwin. So wherever you go on your way, you can take your PC with you. You can take your so much of 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte data with you. So by just taking the small device, you can access your data from anywhere remotely. So it uses a virtual type of network to access your data from one place to another. You just have to use the device. One will be plugged to your PC at home, and one will be plugged wherever you are going with your laptop. So just keep it on and connect it with a virtual connection. Then when you will access it, you can access all the memories and can share your data from one to another. So that is the whole concept of the Itwin. So Itwin is a limitless secure USB device that enables users to access, edit and share all their files and media between two online users' computers anywhere in the world. The only limit is the size of computer's hardware. So Itwin is an innovative solution. It allows remote files access without security and privacy risks of the cloud and USB flash drives. It is very easy to access as a USB device and no special installation is required. So Itwin is revolutionary, a new file sharing and remote access device brought to you by a company called Itwin. It's like two ends of a cable. Without the cable, it is as simple to use as a flash drive. It is literally plug and play. So how it is invented? Invention of Itwin. Itwin was invented by an Indian named Lux Ananthram after achieving a bachelor's degree in electrical and electronic engineering from IIT in Chennai and a master's degree from IISc in Bangalore. Lux worked first as an IT security researcher at the Institute of System Science, Singapore, and then a senior researcher at Cambridge Digital Labs and the Institution of Infocom Research. Lux specializes in PKI implementations, efficient digital certificate, revocation, and usable security. Lux was pursuing a part-time MBA at NUS Business School, Singapore, but put studies on hold because of potential of Itwin. So he is the owner, you can see in the screen. So he tagged a line and had said that it is an idea that just grew and grew. The product was a brainchild of company CEO Lux Ananthram, who went on to co-found the Singapore company, also named Itwin, with company Kukal Techro in October 2010. So what are the features of Itwin? The features of Itwin are remotely edit shared files. You can share your files remotely over the virtual network, back up your data from anywhere, you can back it up. One time cost, no fees, you just have to install it and you have to just one time pay for it, otherwise you don't have any cost related issues. Security, data security, you will get your data secure very easily. Smart key generation, that it uses a different type of key generation methods to secure your data, and no temp files, and there are no temporary files. All you have to do is just to plug and play. What are the technology used? So what are the software requirements? So software requirements are minimum 512 megabyte, 1 gigabyte RAM. It requires 15 megabyte of hard disk space and USB of 2.0 port, and it requires broadband internet access. So Itwin Connect. Itwin device. Itwin device are two identical halves. The two halves can be connected together via the special connector to form a pair as shown in the figure. So this is the USB connector, this is the indicator, and this is the Itwin connector. So Itwin connection, create a private VPN to access the network. You can create your own private VPN and connect any two networks using two halves of your Itwin device. To access your trusted computer and its network from a remote location, pair an Itwin device and install Itwin Connect on one computer in your network. So as you can see in the figure, what you are doing, you have connected your PC with a virtual internet connection, and this is your iTwin device which has been connected onto your PC. And in the next step, just plug it out and take it with you, and whatever laptop you are accessing, just plug it into that and access your whatever information. So unplug one half of the device and leave the other half plugged into a trusted computer, leave it private, on and online. So the two halves of your iTwin have now created a secure virtual private network between your two computers. Using VPN tunnel, you can access your whole remote network, accessing user iTwin Connect. So how it works? So let me give you the general description as shown in the figure. First, just connect this iTwin device to the computer. Now, it will access your data and will connect the connection, virtual connection. Now, just plug it out this one iTwin device, and wherever you're going, just plug it into that laptop. Now drag and drop your files, and you can easily access from wherever you're going. So it is very simple to use and very secure. So what are the advantages of using iTwin? The concept behind iTwin is very simple. So you can just take this half and go anywhere. The speeds are held by upload and download networks. It is a very small footprint, easy to remove, and mainly takes advantage of internet connections, establish a link between two different computers for file transfers. So disadvantages, what are the disadvantages? Disadvantages are it fails if local machine fall asleep. Separable physical USB components are essentially security keys, so security issues are also there. So if you lost one remote piece, then unplugging the local piece would not help you, and VPN network, somehow it will get lost and you will get your entire connection lost. So iTwin has no bandwidth or shortage limitations. So iTwin versus cloud storage. So iTwin is plug and play, cloud is install and then configuration. iTwin has no storage limit, but the cloud has storage limits. iTwin is hardware based security plus, but cloud is password only. iTwin is directly edit your phone, and cloud remote editing requires second copy, and it has delete protection, but cloud doesn't have any delete protection. So what are the applications of iTwin? First is a VPN cable, as I mentioned before. It will give you the virtual private connection, virtual private network over the VPN. Euro browsing, you can go from Europe to US to anywhere. You can Euro browsing your data from anywhere. Home and office network access, that you can access you from home to office. What are the limitations? It has a limited warranty of the 3 months. Second is implied term. It will come with the conditions and implied terms. Returns. IT will respond to details of how to return the hardware, including the shipping addresses and all. So what are the future aspects? So it is iTwin Pro is a hardware solution. It will create the cross-platform two-factor authentication providing. It is very safe to use, keeping sensitive files safely on a home computer rather than in a cloud server. So as an added bonus, the device allows the proxy server enabled internet use. So this is the whole iTwin which I want to show you. So thank you.